This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda CRV fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your CRV is parked safely on a flat surface with the engine off. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects you. Next, you'll need to access the fog light assembly. This is typically located under the front bumper of your Honda CRV. Carefully look for any plastic clips or screws that hold the fender liner in place. Use your screwdriver to remove these fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will give you enough space to reach the back of the fog light. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Carefully twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Connect the electrical connector and then insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Finally, reassemble everything. Push the fender liner back into its original position and secure it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is tight and properly aligned. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Turn on your CRV and test the new fog lights to ensure they are working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.